LG Studio's Induction range has some unique features and a few problems. You'll learn all about both and see a comparison between this Induction range and others from GE Profile, Cafe Appliances, as well as Samsung and Bosch. In the end, I'll show you how to save money when buying any Induction range. Let's get started. First, the output is excellent with one 4,300 watt super burner, a still powerful 3,200 watt burner, and then two 1,800 watt burners, along with a 100 watt warmer. GE Profile is decent with one 3,700 watt and two 2,500 watt and 1,800 watt burner, along with their 100 watt warmer as well. Samsung is the lowest in the industry with four burners, one at 2,400 watts, two at 1,800 watts, and a 1,200 watt burner. The LG Studio has a large oven size at 6.3 cubic feet in capacity, tied with Samsung. GE Profile has a 5.3 cubic foot oven, while Bosch has a 4.6 cubic foot oven in capacity. Cafe's double oven series is technically larger at 6.7 cubic feet in capacity, but that number is skewed because it's the total of both smaller ovens. Like every Induction range, LG Studio has convection in their oven, with a fan to help evenly distribute air through the oven. The LG Studio offers two self-cleaning options, one being regular self-cleaning, and the second being steam self-cleaning with water at a lower temperature. This range is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can see the time remaining and adjust the temperature on your phone. The Studio also has LG's InstaView door technology. Knock on the oven window so you can see inside, then knock again to darken. LG's overall reliability is about average, with about 9.9% of their Induction ranges needing service within the first year. Only Bosch is better at 4.5% reliability. Availability is an issue for any Induction cooktop or stove due to the lithium shortage, which is a key component in making their burners. Although the supply chain issues have resolved for most appliances, Induction is the exception. Air fry doesn't work in any range because you can't get the correct airflow in a larger oven cavity like you can in one of the tabletop air fryers. Air sous vide is also not a reason to buy this range because it will take 2 hours to cook properly, and then you have to finish the food you made on the stovetop for texture. The LG Studio Induction range is normally $36.99, which is about $500 more than the GE Profile or Samsung ranges. Yet $400 less than Cafe or Bosch. Cafe offers a double oven option with some customization, while the Studio has a better oven and higher output than the Samsung, GE Profile, or Bosch. Now, here's a trick to buy any of these ranges for less. You can buy the LG or any of these brands for up to $1,000 less during a holiday, like Black Friday, Memorial Day, President's Day, or Labor Day. So, should you buy this range? Their biggest problem is availability. Like all Induction ranges, it's a bit pricey, so wait for a holiday. But LG Studio does have a decent combination of oven size and output, so it should be a consideration along with Profile, Cafe, and Bosch.